Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys. So if you have a Dodge Dart and you're trying to remove and replace the dash vent for the driver's side, guys. Okay, the dash vent on the driver's side, the very left one, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you need to buy replacement parts, replacement vents, anything like that, tools, guys, for a really good price and very fast shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So this right here is a 2015 Dodge Dart that we'll be working on, and let me explain which vent I'm talking about and how to access it. So this is the dash vent right here that I'm talking about, guys. There is a few things that you need to do. Some people will try just to pop it out. You can break it severely, and somebody almost cracked it right here in the corner. So I'll explain the easiest and the correct way to do it in my opinion, guys. So stay with us and we'll cover that and we'll show you what needs to be done from start to finish. So let's start on it now. First, what we will do, guys, we will actually need to remove that bottom trim right here so we can actually access that from underneath. I'll show you how to do that, so let's start on that now. So what do we need to do now, guys? Okay, we need to get a 7mm socket. This is, guys, 7mm. Okay, let me focus here quick. This is a 7mm socket right here with the electric screwdriver, so it can save us a little bit of time. And if you come under the steering wheel right here, there is one screw that we need to remove. Okay, you can see this one here. Perfect. Okay, this one's coming out. Now, what else we need to do? Right here, guys, okay, we have one cover that we need to pry open. I would recommend to use only plastic panel removal tools. We have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, what you're going to do, you need to get underneath. Okay, let me pass the camera quick here so I don't drop that thing. Perfect. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips that we need to remove. So with that being said, guys, what else we have? Here we have one more bolt that we're going to remove. Then we have one more over there. Things started looking better now. What else we need to do, guys? Okay, right here I'm going to get the panel removal tool, and okay, we're going to pry here a few clips open. Perfect. Now I'll come on this side over there. Let me just see quick. Okay, it will take me just 1 second. Okay, perfect. And that trim piece, okay, came out just like that, guys. You can see all the way loose. So now let me show you guys. Okay, we're going to stay like that. We have now 2 clips for the dash vent right here, guys. One is on the bottom that you cannot see, one is right here. This one here, you can access it with a screwdriver from here, or if you put your hand inside, guys. Okay, the interesting fact is you can actually push that thing out, and I'm going to explain how, guys, in just a second. Let me get it out, hold it, pull it out. Okay, you can see how simple, right? Without breaking anything. What's the clip I'm talking about? The clip I'm talking about is right here, guys. This thing, okay, you can see in the profile. Okay, all we have to do, let me show you now. Okay, push in here. Okay, push in here and pull the clip out. The other one is right here. It's a side clip. Okay, side clip that is holding as well. And when you're ready to install it, all you have to do, align it really good. Push it in, guys. When you want to pull it out, push that bottom clip in and push the vent out. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.